Our today's first speaker, Muhammad Isha'ati, he will present to you Riyad-Us-Saliheen as they take every day after Asr, sequentially, every day 10 to 15 minutes as per the sequence. They study any hadith and they study about the commentary first in Arabic, then they translate in English, and as per their study they present some glimpse of that hadith. So today's first speaker, Muhammad Isha'ati, in front of you. उलमाए किराम, ये वो तलबा हैं जो यहाँ पर 4 महीने अपना कोर्स मुकम्मल करके 5वें महीने में हैं, और ये 1 घंटे के अंदर 9 महीने की कारगुजारी आपके सामने रखेंगे। वैसे अभी इनके 3 महीने बाकी हैं, 3 साढ़े 3 महीने बाकी हैं। गोया कि 1 घंटा इनको देखना, आप ये कह सकते हैं कि 9 महीने पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, अरेबिक और इंग्लिश पे जो काम चलता है, आज की ज़्यादातर गुफ्तगू अंग्रेज़ी पर है, तो आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि क्या तैयारी हो रही है। सो टुडेज़ फर्स्ट स्पीकर मोहम्मद इशाअती, टू यू।
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I'm an alim. I have done alimat from Jamia Islamia Hadiths of Riyad-Us-Saliheen in Maharashtra. Presently, I'm pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindagi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic, and computer. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today I am here to talk about Riyad-Us-Saliheen. Writer of this book, Al-Imam Abu Zakaria Yahya bin Sharaf al-Nawawi al-Dimashqi. The learned Imam had a very short life, but even during this short period, he had written a large number of books on different subjects. Every work of the Imam is a masterwork and a treasure of knowledge. Hundreds and thousands of people benefit from these works. This slide first hadith. عن أبي هريرة عبد الرحمن بن صخر رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إن الله تعالى لا ينظر إلى أجسامكم ولا إلى صوركم ولكن ينظر إلى قلوبكم وأعمالكم. Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrated, Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Allah does not look at your figures nor at your attire, but He looks at your hearts and accomplishments. This hadith highlights the importance of sincerity and good intention. Good intention means, let's always keep your hearts pure from envy, jealousy, arrogance, attitude, and hypocrisy. And grant him the opportunity to pay more attention to his inner self than his outer self. May Allah bless us Tawfiq, keep our hearts pure, and grant him the opportunity to pay more attention to his outer self. In another hadith, عن ابن عباس رضي الله عنهما قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم نعمتان مغبون فيهما كثير من الناس الصحة والفراغ. Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma reported, Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there are 2 blessings in which many people incur loss. They are health and free time. This hadith mentioned the majority of people do not make proper care of both these things, which the result they don't waste the time in useless activities and spends physical strength and energy in the disobedience of Allah. One will have to face severe consequences of it on the day of resurrection, when he will be brought into account for everything. In another hadith, عن عمر رضي الله عنه قال سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول لو أنكم تتوكلون على الله حق توكله لرزقكم كما يرزق الطير تغدو خماصا وتروح بطانا. Umar radiallahu anhu said, I heard Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, if you all depend on Allah with your reliance, He would certainly give you provision as He gives it to birds who go forth hungry in the morning and return with full belly at dusk. This hadith mentioned, trust in Allah does not mean that material resources are not valued. What this really means is that along with their importance, full trust should be placed in Allah because their achievement is also determined by Him. Birds do not sit in their nest for food but fly in search of it. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a good day.